wobble, sway. Hippos love to play all day. Waddle like me, big and slow. Can you stomp and sway and go? Splash in puddles, make a sound. Hippo fun is all around. Pop, 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 pop. Splash and waddle safari. If I were a hippo, strong and free, what kind of hippo would I be? A splashy swimmer, a wiggly star, the happiest hippo seen from afar. Splash up high, splash down low. Waddle, stomp, and off we go. Hippos love the cool, cool pond. They slide and swim and splash beyond. Swish your arms, make water fly. Hippos laugh beneath the sky. Kick your feet and swirl around. Can you make a big splash sound? Float like a hippo, big and round. Giggles echo all around. If I were a hippo at school today, would I waddle to class and play? Teacher says line up nice and neat, but hippo legs like to beat the beat. Tiptoe soft, stomp loud. Hippo music fills the crowd. Freeze like a hippo statue now. Big and still, take a bow. Hippos care for friends and family. They stay together happily. They share the pond, the mud, the sun. Hippo fun is for everyone. Walk in line, left, right, left. Hippo teamwork is the best. Soft sunset moment when the golden sun goes low. Hippos rest and waters flow. Big hippo yawns and splashes slow, dreaming of tomorrow's show. Lie down low, arms by your side. Splashy fun can now subside. Shh, quiet hippos. 1, 2, 3. If I were a hippo, bold and bright, waddling morning, noon, and night, I'd explore the pond and river wide, with splashes, laughs, and hippo pride. Splash, proud, waddle loud, be the happiest in the crowd. Splash, 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 freeze. But here's a secret just for you. You don't need a pond or mud too. With imagination shining bright, you can be a hippo tonight. One last waddle together. Ready? 3, 2, 1, splash!